I think I just know who started getting us to sing. I know who started
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all.
Wait, so is this how we get one-shot people?
You take me. Oh God, my throat is killing me. Done bathing. Let's go to the potty. Can I use my bath? Oh wow. Wow, really feels good on the buttocks. I wonder what Jordan's doing today. Oh, he's still sleeping. School's been weird. Really weird. There's demons at school, guys. And I know you won't believe it, but there is demons, and they are scary as heck. It was crazy. There's guns and fighting, and now there's this guy who tries to rub his body on me, which, speaking of which, I'm going to close my shades just in case. But I just need to relax. School's been long, but I'm planning on going tomorrow as well. You guys don't know much about school at all. Because, I just started recording today. For Citizens Roleplay! Yes. That's what's going on. This is my house. It was only $3,500. You should be a nurse. The kids get money. I look nice. I'm so handsome. No, seriously, I look all the time this game goes in on me. It's insane. And it makes it really hard to do your own thing because girls like my green hair and my look on my face. Okay, let's see. How much longer until I can... Oh, wait, comfort is only 3%. What? I'm laying in a queen-sized bed. How is it only 30%? Boo. You know, I'm going to get some meat instead. Lag. Here we go. Let's have... Oh, did I not make kebabs? Oh, yeah. I gotta go make some kebabs, guys. This game cannot crash on me. So laggy now. Ooh. Ooh, actually. Let's see if I have the ingredients for everything on the stove. Cooked turkey. Can I make that? No. Get my gravy. Can I make lasagna? Mac and cheese. Nope. Mashed potatoes. Pancake. I wish I could make pancake. Whoa. Wait. No. Dang it. I don't want to go to the store. Oh. Dang it. Stuffing. No. Pecan pie. Chocolate pie. Fried bacon. Really? Really easy to make fried bacon. French toast. Yay, I can make that, guys. Let's make French toast. That'll be my breakfast, and then school starts at 7, so I gotta hurry. Ooh, cook. Why is it taking so long to make some toast? Ah, I'm gonna be late. Oh, gosh. People are talking to Jordan, and he's awake. Ah, they're going to school already. I gotta hurry. Come on, Toast, come on. Oh, no. We didn't have a teacher yesterday, so we got to leave early, but... Ugh. School has been awkward. Here we go. Toast, 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 toast. Take. Why no, I'm going to take all. I'll eat it at school for lunch. I gotta go. Come on. Luckily, school is right down the road from where I live. No, wait, it's this way. Where'd it go? There it is. So I moved him pretty close so I don't have to be late. But I'm already late! And I can't even see Jordan. I gotta see Jordan. He's my best bud there. I mean, the only one I really talk to. We have interesting stories. Jordan. Holy crap, this is the police station. There's Rose City High School. Hey! Oh god, somebody has a gun. Great. Jessica, a cop? Typical school day. Oh man, gotta go. Jordan, where are you? Jordan! This is class. There's many people here. We have Diego, James, Grace. Wow, you guys are all new people. I don't know who any of you guys are. Wow. A lot of new people. Jeez. Well, then there's also Jordan and this other guy, Awesomeness Dark. He was also there. And then a bunch of other people. But, yeah, otherwise I don't really... Why is the cops here? I don't really know. Where is James? Jordan! 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 Cool. Jordan! Where are you, man? Jordan, where are you, man? Shoot. Half the class is gone. No, wait. Heading to school, just finished breakfast. Man! Someone here has a gun. Oops. Gun. Hey, Jordan. Okay, Jordan made it. It's James. Oh, hey, you're twin. What up? He has a gun, man. He's right there. I did not have breakfast. Whoa, who just died? Okay, I do not have, so I'm going to lunch. Bye, guys. I gotta go. Gotta go. I'm hungry as heck. I made some toast, so everything's good. So as you can see, he was talking about demons. I was talking about demons. There is demons, guys. Demons. They are evil guys. Ooh, the last time they were there, I had to become a cop. Somebody else had to become a cop, which I think it was a girl. And then there was Jordan, me, and a girl. We were shooting, and he wiped all of us out. And himself. That demon. He was actually awesomeness, so I'm kind of confused what's going on now. I gotta eat. Nice. Cold lunch. Just give some toast to the class. Jordan, we know there's demons. You don't have to say demons, I say. ABC for son. Who? What? Good. How about you? What? Too many demons in this. There's no demons in the school right now, dude. Calm down, man. Calm down. Let's eat some toast. Oh gosh. Whoa. Again? This is happening again. Okay. And that makes your hair change. Yesterday's hair changed black at the end of school. What? Emotions? What about emotions? Hair changes. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Jordan, how are you feeling, man? Oops. Feeling. Sorry. Nothing. That makes... Oh, I know. Numbers to solve. That makes no sense. Yeah. Hair transforms. I gotta go home. I'm having serious deja vu right now. Man. Probably shouldn't go to school ever again. Nah, what am I kidding? Oh wait, there's no teachers. Okay, maybe I can't go to school anymore. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Cops? Seriously, guys, in this roleplay thing, I'm roleplaying, but I'm not expecting anything. What is going on now? Hello, cops. Gonna leave your car here? Here, I'll take it. I'll take it. You're not gonna use it. Hair color changes back. Jordan, what the heck, man? Okay. You know what? You guys don't know much about this, but we gotta let our heads whip around. It's really confusing that everybody's like really confusing about the demons and stuff. Oh my god, Jordan! Hi, Jordan! Jordan, wait, you live next to me, man? Jordan! Boy, you live across from me. Dang. Jordan? Do you across from me? You live across from me? Still have my backpack on. We need some toast. Meh. Yeah, the first one sucks, so nobody even saves up for that one anymore. Everybody saves up for this one. Oh god.